In cybersecurity, red team, penetration testing team, and blue team are key to protecting organizations from cyber threats. In this video, we'll explain what they do and how they work together to keep your organization safe. First of all, let's start with the red team. Red teaming is a way to do in-depth checks on how well organization is protected against cyber threats. Unlike penetration testing, which looks at specific systems or apps, red teaming simulates real-life cyber attacks using the same methods as real hackers. The main idea of red teaming is to take a broad view of the security where skilled cybersecurity experts act like hackers, trying to break into the organization in various ways, such as through tricking people, breaking into buildings, or hacking systems. This broad attack helps organizations see how well they can handle complex, coordinated threats, revealing weak spots and areas that might not have been considered before. Red team activities usually have few restrictions, allowing them to mimic real hackers' flexible strategies. These freedoms helps organizations find hidden vulnerabilities and improve their response to incidents through realistic practice, promoting a proactive approach to security. Now let's jump to the penetration testers team. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, which is similar to red teaming but focuses more into specific areas. It aims to find and exploit particular vulnerabilities within a set of scope. Unlike red teaming, penetration tests mainly look at the security of individual assets, networks, or applications. Penetration testers use specialized tools and methods to carefully look for weaknesses in software setups, network designs, and access controls. By pretending to attack from both outside and inside, penetration testing tries to find vulnerabilities before real attackers do. Penetration testing often focuses on meeting compliance and regulatory standards. It's an important part of audits and certifications, helping the organization to check their security measures, evaluate patch management, and ensure they are protecting sensitive data properly. And at the last but not least is the blue team. Cybersecurity blue team focuses on defending an organization against cyber threats. Unlike the red team, which simulates attacks, the blue team is responsible for detecting, responding to, and mitigating actual cyber threat in the real time. Blue team members continuously monitor systems, analyze security data, and implement proactive measures to safeguard the organization assets. The blue team may be divided into sub-teams depending on the type of security controls it is responsible for, such as network security, endpoint security, or the Security Operations Center, as known as the SOC. The blue team also works on incident response, ensuring that when a breach occurs, it is quickly contained and remediated. While the red team and the penetration testers adopt an offensive approach to find weaknesses, the blue team takes a defensive stance to protect against and respond to threats. So, in a nutshell, the red teaming, penetration testing, and the blue teaming each have important and different rules. So as you notice, this complementary dynamic between the three teams helps the organizations to build a robust, well-rounded cybersecurity strategy. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.